Please welcome Izumi Kawanishi.
Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for joining us at Sony Honda Mobility press conference for CES 2026. We are excited about the future of mobility. In the 3 years since we established Sony Honda Mobility, the automotive industry has seen diverse evolution and growth. At Sony Honda Mobility, we are evolving mobility into an interactive experience. Our brand Afeela is built on a vision to redefine the relationship between people and mobility. We are bringing innovation to how people move. Being in a car will no longer be about driving. It will be about making the most of your time and space while you move. Car will understand the passenger's preferences and feelings, and the relationship will become an interactive dialogue. The key to realizing mobility as a creative entertainment space is in harnessing the power of AI, specifically vehicle AI. Advanced vehicle AI will deliver user experiences and two-way communication that go beyond the traditional vehicle OS. One is in the autonomous driving domain. The other is in the conversational agent domain. With these technology tools, we put AI at the center of mobility evolution. This allows us to create experiences that truly foster a more symbiotic relationship with the driver. Let me begin talking about our vision for autonomous driving. We are advancing the development of our ADAS, Afeela Intelligent Drive. Afeela's Intelligent Drive will enhance the VLM, Vision Language Model, to elevate our end-to-end driving solution from Level 2 Plus to Level 4 equivalent. Specifically, we are constantly reviewing sensing devices and layouts, further improving computing power and making our end-to-end driving AI stronger. As a result, the cabin will evolve into a driverless environment, reducing the task of manual driving and providing more freedom to relax and enjoy entertainment content. In the future, the driverless environment will transform the cabin into a true creative entertainment space. Secondly, our conversational agent Afeela personal agent powered by Microsoft Azure OpenAI enhances mobility interaction through personalized natural language dialogue. This elevates the relationship between people and mobility into something more personal and long-lasting. In other words, mobility will evolve into an experience that understands every user. For AI, Sony Honda Mobility has established a basic policy. We will promote its utilization, research, and development sensitively, while carefully considering personal information and privacy. To realize the new user experiences, the advanced suite of automotive products and solutions from Qualcomm serves as one of the key technologies. Sony Honda Mobility has had a strategic partnership with Qualcomm since the beginning of Afeela's development. We will realize our next generation E&A architecture using the Snapdragon digital chassis. Now, let me introduce our important partner from Qualcomm, Executive Vice President and Group General Manager, Automotive, Industrial, and Embedded IoT and Robotics, Nakul Juga. So Nakul, thank you for your coming. I've always been excited about Qualcomm's next generation automotive platform. Could you tell us about the features of your Snapdragon digital chassis?
First of all, Happy New Year, Kawanishi-san. Happy New Year to all of you. At Qualcomm, our collaboration with Sony Honda Mobility reflects a shared vision to redefine mobility. Together, we are building not just technology, we are creating smarter, safer, and more engaging journeys. Our next generation Snapdragon digital chassis platforms bring scalable, breakthrough capabilities to life, including generative AI that deeply personalize intuitive in-cabin experiences, where the car becomes a dynamic digital space with tailored content, natural interactions, and seamless integration across devices. Advanced driver assistance systems designed for safety and automation, combining high performance, efficiency, and AI-driven intelligence to enable smooth, confident driving. And a comprehensive cloud-connected architecture that ensures vehicles stay updated, secure, and always connected.
Thank you, Nakul. As we see AI functions and performance becoming more important within vehicle architecture, how do you view Qualcomm's role in the automotive industry?
I'm proud to say that Qualcomm is driving the AI-powered transformation of the automotive industry. We bring advanced compute semiconductors powered now by agentic AI into the heart of every vehicle, enabling intelligent, personalized experiences that redefine what a car can do. AI has become a foundational element, from adaptive in-cabin systems that learn driver preferences to safety and automation through ADAS. We are making vehicles smarter, safer, and more intuitive. Combined with seamless connectivity and a decade of leadership in intelligent automotive platforms, Qualcomm is setting the standard for AI innovation at scale.
Looking ahead, what are your expectations for your collaboration with Sony Honda Mobility?
First of all, Kawanishi-san, we are deeply honored and privileged to be part of the Sony Honda Mobility platform. Afeela represents a bold step forward in redefining mobility, and we are thrilled that the Snapdragon digital chassis is at the core of Afeela. These vehicles showcase how intelligence, connectivity, and safety converge to create experiences that feel truly premium and deeply personal. Our expectation is simple. Afeela will set a new benchmark for what an intelligent car can be, where technology elevates every moment of the drive.
Thank you, Nakul.
Thank you very
Wonderful to have such a strong partner.
Thank you very
Nakul.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, let's talk about in-cabin entertainment. By maximizing the cabin space, Afeela challenges the traditional concept of in-cabin entertainment, creating content design to move you. Through collaboration with diverse partners, Afeela brings you movies, music, gaming, and more. Afeela passengers can enjoy entertainment on the panoramic screen and the rear entertainment system, as well as the customizable themes and uniquely visualized 3D maps. We are not only elevating existing content, we are transforming the very experience of mobility into a richer, more enjoyable time.
Today, I'm going to talk about how we are collaborating across Sony Group to bring together creativity, technology, and deliver new innovative experiences for consumers. For over 30 years, PlayStation has created and delivered unforgettable experiences for players around the world. From our consoles and accessories to the incredible games that define each generation. Everything we do comes back to one simple idea. We want PlayStation to be the best place to play and to give players the more ways than ever to access the games they love. We also think it's important to be where our players are and give them options on how they access their games. Remote play has been part of the PlayStation experience for many years. It started when we introduced remote play with PlayStation 3 and at the time our portable device, PlayStation Portable, PSP. Then we started to really see it take off with PlayStation 4. Now, for anyone who hasn't tried it, remote play lets you stream games from a PS5 or PS4 to devices you already have and use every day. Devices like your phone, your tablet, your PC, and your Mac, and most recently, PlayStation Portal. PlayStation Portal is our remote play dedicated device which streams games from PS5 or through the cloud while preserving that immersive PlayStation experience fans love. It has quickly become one of our most popular companions for PlayStation 5. In fact, PlayStation Portal now accounts for over 50% of all PS5 remote play sessions, surpassing streams through all of those other devices combined. So now we're taking the remote play feature one step further. As we recently confirmed, we're bringing remote play to cars for the first time, right onto the Afeela's entertainment system. With a DualSense controller and a good network connection, Afeela becomes another way you can pick up and play the games you love. Just like every other remote play experience, this isn't a console in the car. You're playing the games you already own through streaming. It's for those moments when you have some downtime in your car, like when you're waiting to pick someone up, or if you want to keep passengers entertained on a very long road trip. For us, this is a meaningful example of how the PlayStation experience can extend beyond the living room in ways that feel natural and useful for gaming fans. We hope players will enjoy the new way to access some of the best games this generation has to offer, including Astrobot, God of War Ragnarok, and Ghost of Yotei. And 2026 will be one of the best years yet for players, with highly anticipated games like Resident Evil Requiem, Marathon, and more launching very soon. In addition to remote play, Sony Honda Mobility is also integrating our franchises into the Afeela experience. Gran Turismo and Astrobot will have themes for Afeela, including custom wallpapers and e-motor sounds. There will also be wallpapers featuring several other PlayStation titles. Together, we are crafting a unique audio-visual interactive experience that will appeal to gaming fans. We're excited to bring remote play to Afeela with Sony Honda Mobility, and we're looking forward to extending the PlayStation experience to new and unexpected places that give players even more access to the games they love.
Thank you, Eric. To further expand the possibilities of in-cabin entertainment, we have the Afeela co-creation program for creators and developers. We will release production information for various content in Afeela's entertainment environment. This includes in-vehicle apps as well as themes consisting of dynamic wallpapers, e-motor sound, and the reach cluster. This allows Afeela to be freely customized, transforming it into a more personal in-cabin space. Even creators who have had no connection to the automotive industry will be able to join and create on this open platform.
Thank you, Kawanishi-san. Hello, everyone. When Sony Honda Mobility asked me to produce the sound experience for Afeela, I felt an instant excitement. It was a chance to step into an industry I had never worked in before and challenge my creativity in a completely new direction. In Afeela's quiet cabin, the opportunity to create sound inspired by the vehicle's acceleration and speed, and I could turn the vehicle into a sort of musical instrument. I could explore new ways of creating an artistically inspired soundscape for the vehicle. So, instead of imitating engine sound, I have explored sound that makes the act of moving and the sonic experience of mobility more enjoyable. It was an opportunity for complete freedom of expression. Let's listen to the sound I designed. For the e-motor sound, I was inspired by the idea of blending Japanese and Western styles. It's my hope people can feel the quiet but powerful energy in the sound, as well as the uplifting feeling of stepping into the future. Until now, we have used the cars mainly for transportation, but Afeela, with its self-driving technology and advanced audio system, introduces a new value, being in the car for an entertaining experience. A sound experience that reflects Japan truly comes alive in the quiet Taban EV, helping people focus inward with its delicate tones. And driving becomes an experience, because Afeela is a future-driven mobility platform born from Japan's Sony and Honda. It can deliver a truly authentic Japanese sound experience to the world. As a music producer, I see the people who ride in Afeela as my audience. For me, it has created a new listening room where I can share different sound with them and deliver a truly authentic Japanese sound experience. I'm excited, by the way. Sony Honda Mobility is leading the way in designing the mobility experience that is also a creative playground. As a music producer, I'm so honored to be part of this, and I deeply connect with Afeela's vision. Thank you.
Thank you, Tomoko. Through the Afeela co-creation program, we are preparing an open platform that releases vehicle information to the public, enabling the development of various mobility applications. We plan to provide cloud APIs that handle vehicle information and an Android application development environment for in-vehicle infotainment. This enables developers to create entirely new mobility applications that will further transform the in-cabin experience. Please access our co-creation website for more information. We hope many creators and developers will join us. To further accelerate open co-creation with creators, we are building an on-chain mobility service platform driven by crypto technology and a token-based incentive model. It is an ecosystem based on the X-to-earn concept, considering of 3 cycles: creation, experience, and development. This platform will be able to not only to Sony Honda Mobility, but also to other automotive OEMs and service providers. We will update you with details soon. Sony Honda Mobility will actively contribute to the evolution of mobility. To talk about the status of our first model, Afeela 1, here in the US, let me introduce our North American Senior Marketing Director, Jay.
Thank you, Kawanishi-san, and good afternoon, everyone. It's great to be here at CES and update you on Afeela progress in the US. The team at Sony Honda Mobility of America has been extremely busy building awareness of the brand from scratch. In 2025, we welcomed over 100,000 visitors and conducted more than 25,000 in-cabin demonstrations of the Afeela. We continue to see month-over-month increases in foot traffic at our studios, pop-ups, and collaborative events. Oftentimes, we receive encouraging customer feedback, much of which is unique to the brand. For example, Sony and Honda, 2 great brands coming together to shake up the industry, or ones that specifically highlight our product features and safety. I love all of the innovation. LiDAR and sensors make me feel secure. The Afeela 1 is turning heads not only for dedicated EV enthusiasts, but also amongst those considering their very first electric vehicle. In fact, only about 22% of our interested customers already own an EV. We are thrilled to see that drivers who were once hesitant to make the switch are now ready to take their first step into the future of mobility with our Afeela 1. And this excitement and momentum isn't limited to California. Buzz is spreading fast. We are seeing remarkable interest from customers from over half of the country who are eager to join the Afeela journey. So what makes Afeela worth waiting for? Afeela's goal as a co-creative brand is to deliver a driving experience beyond imagination by bringing the technologies of the future into our vehicles today. As Kawanishi-san mentioned, Afeela is a co-creative canvas for personalization through advanced technology, entertainment, and partnership that empowers customers with options to make Afeela 1 uniquely their own, the only one. Now, let me show you what it means to be Afeela. Afeela's versatility in technology, entertainment, and mobility partnerships opens future forward opportunities across industries. And this is only a taste of what can be achieved. As we look forward to Afeela 1 deliveries, we are ramping up our operational readiness in the US. We also provide a variety of locations for our customers to experience Afeela in person. We currently welcome customers at 4 Afeela studios in Beverly Hills, Century City, San Jose, and San Diego. Our studios are collaborative spaces where customers can enjoy the full range of Afeela 1 in-car features and personalization options. In addition, our studio and delivery hubs in Torrance and Fremont, California are gearing up to open this spring. Later this year, we will begin hosting Afeela 1 demo drives. To kick things off, we're planning to host Afeela Advanced Access opportunities exclusively for our early reservation holders. These experiences will roll out in phases, gradually shifting focus from entertainment to driving performance. Sony Honda Mobility of America is riding this momentum, and we are thrilled that Afeela 1 will take on California roads this year. What's more, I'm also happy to announce that we will be expanding our activities to Arizona in 2027. We are excited to bring the Afeela experience to even more customers across the US. And now, I will hand it over to CEO of Sony Honda Mobility, Yasuhide Mizuno.
Our journey has only just begun. Hello, everyone. At Sony Honda Mobility, we are steadily advancing preparation for development, manufacturing, and operation in the US. At Sony Honda Mobility's production line, located in Honda's East Liberty plant in Ohio, trial production has already started. The Afeela 1 you see on this stage today is a pre-production vehicle manufactured on that very line. The manufacturing team is very excited about producing Afeela and taking the brand to new heights. We anticipate the start of delivery to customers in California late this year. For the Japanese market, we plan to begin deliveries in the first half of 2027. In the meantime, we plan to create opportunities for you to demo drive and experience Afeela 1 in the US. We look forward to delivering the complete vehicle experience imagined by Sony Honda Mobility. But there's more to tell you. The way we are fusing diverse technologies to deliver a completely novel mobility experience is not limited to a single model type. To bring value to even more customers, we have already started working on our next concept. Afeela prototype 2026. Thank you very much. Thank you. This prototype is our new approach to expanding Afeela mobility. We have shaped a model that brings joy and expands the space to meet your needs while staying true to the essence of Afeela. We are pleased to present our next early-stage concept as we continue building on our achievement. We aim to deliver a new model based on this prototype to American customers as early as 2028. At Sony Honda Mobility, we are creating a new mobility experience with Afeela 1. And with this prototype, we are also excited to shape a future that lies beyond that experience. We look forward to sharing much more with you this year. These are exciting times for Sony Honda Mobility and Afeela. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you very much.